May sales report and best-selling items. For the month of May, I had 71 sales across all stores, which was a 17% decrease from the 86 sales I had in April. These are my sales broken down by store. Miss Rhoadie 56, Weddings by Rhoadie 3, Homeschool Me 7, Rhodie's Kitchen 1, Alma Africa 2, Bible Verses and Gifts 2, Earrings by Rhoadie 0. Best-selling items. A new entry to my son on Father's Day came in first place. In second place was my To My Daughter on Mother's Day greeting card. And this card has been a bestseller for the past 3 months. Best Mom Ever photo t-shirt was in third place. Other items sold were invitations, stationery, file folders, appointment calling cards, a license plate frame, a shot glass, a mouse pad, stadium cushions, buttons, a car magnet, a Sherpa blanket, and stickers. Customer demographics. 89% of my sales were from the U.S. and 11% international. 76% of my sales came from women, 21% men, and 3% unknown. These are my top states. Texas with 7 sales, California 6, New York 5. International sales. 4 came from Canada, 2 from the United Kingdom, and 2 from Australia. Honorable mentions. This card, To My Son on Father's Day, was my #1 bestseller for this month. And as I said before, it was a new entry. So I'm very proud of this card. Referrals. No referrals for the month of May. Takeaways. My sales for May was lower than the average sales that I usually have for May. And I know that I did get distracted this month and did not promote my Mother's Day and Father's Day products as much as I should have because I'm a teacher. So I was wrapping up end of the school year activities and stuff. So I got distracted. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.